every step a story untold. Sun beats down a golden road. This old earth our spirits mold. Whoa. Yeah, this ground, it feels profound. Oh. unbaked earth, a holy tree. Every step a silent prayer, breathing in the desert air. This old world, so much to see. Oh, this holy land, under your King is holy. Holy ground, everywhere I go. Ancient whispers in the breeze, rustling through the gnarled trees. Stories told 1,000 years, washing away my fears. Oh, this holy land, under your King is holy. Holy ground, everywhere I go. No stained glass, no golden dome, just open sky, a sacred home. Feel the power, feel the grace in this wild, untamed place.